Garden Fresh Tomato Soup. A quick and easy recipe for real homemade tomato soup like no other you've had before. Ingredients: 4 cups chopped fresh tomatoes, 1 slice onion, 4 whole cloves, 2 cups chicken broth, 2 tablespoons butter, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons white sugar, or to taste. Step 1. In a stock pot over medium heat, combine the tomatoes, onion, cloves, and chicken broth. Bring to a boil and gently boil for about 20 minutes to blend all of the flavors. Remove from heat and run the mixture through a food mill into a large bowl or pan. Discard any stuff left over in the food mill. Step 2. In the now empty stock pot, melt the butter over medium heat. Stir in the flour to make a roux, cooking until the roux is a medium brown. Gradually whisk in a bit of the tomato mixture so that no lumps form, then stir in the rest. Season with sugar and salt and adjust to taste.